wanted to give you kind of a little tutorial on these Cadillacs. The customer brought it in, no start. They put a battery, a starter, new relays, new fuses, and all that good stuff, and still nothing. See, you go hit the ignition. There's no security code or nothing like that on it. See, the security light goes out, but it still doesn't do anything. The lock cylinders are bad about going bad in this thing. You just tap it one time with the key in it. And you've got a shebang. They've already been into the car. They brought it in here like this, broke, and the back seat all taken apart. But maybe it'd be helpful. Once again, I'll show you real quick. Won't do nothing. No security light, no nothing. One way we did it is we actually jumped the starter relay. That's how we knew there was something wrong with the ignition switch, because we jumped the starter relay and it fired right up. That would be one good way to start. But that'd be it. So you're gonna wind up needing the lock cylinder. So you're gonna get her ordered.